In a bold move that could reshape the landscape of American citizenship, President Donald Trump's administration is urging the Supreme Court to endorse his controversial order regarding birthright citizenship. This order asserts that children born in the United States to parents who are undocumented or temporarily residing in the country should not automatically be granted American citizenship. This appeal, which was made public by the Associated Press on Saturday, initiates a significant legal process that may culminate in a decisive ruling from the Supreme Court by early summer. The core question at stake is whether these citizenship restrictions are constitutional. So far, lower court judges have successfully blocked the implementation of these restrictions, and the Trump administration is not requesting that the Supreme Court allow them to take effect prior to its ruling. The Justice Department's petition has been shared with the legal representatives of those challenging the order, although it has not yet been officially filed with the Supreme Court. A decision on whether the court will hear the case, a likely months away, with oral arguments expected to occur in late winter or early spring. Solicitor General D. John Sauer emphasized the administration's stance, stating, "The lower court's decisions invalidated a policy of prime importance to the president and his administration in a manner that undermines our border security. Those decisions confer, without lawful justification, the privilege of American citizenship on hundreds of thousands of unqualified people." On the other hand, Cody Wofsy, a lawyer from the American Civil Liberties Union representing children who would be impacted by Trump's proposed restrictions, firmly argues that the administration's approach is fundamentally unconstitutional. Wofsy stated, "This executive order is illegal, full stop, and no amount of maneuvering from the administration is going to change that. We will continue to ensure that no baby's citizenship is ever stripped away by this cruel and senseless order." Trump's executive order, signed on the first day of his second term, seeks to overturn over 125 years of legal precedent established by the 14th Amendment of the Constitution, which guarantees citizenship to anyone born on U.S. soil, with very few exceptions, such as the children of foreign diplomats or those born to foreign occupying forces. In a series of rulings, lower courts have deemed the executive order unconstitutional or likely unconstitutional, even following a Supreme Court decision in late June that limited the use of nationwide injunctions. While the Supreme Court did restrict the use of such injunctions, it did not eliminate the possibility of other court orders that could have nationwide implications, including those arising from class action lawsuits and state lawsuits. Importantly, the justices did not address the constitutionality of the citizenship order itself at that time. Every lower court that has examined this issue has concluded that Trump's order likely violates the 14th Amendment, which was originally designed to ensure citizenship for black individuals, including former slaves. The administration is currently appealing two specific cases. In July, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit in San Francisco determined that a coalition of states suing over the order required a nationwide injunction to prevent the chaos that would ensue if birthright citizenship were recognized in some states but not in others. Additionally, a federal judge in New Hampshire blocked the citizenship order in a class action lawsuit that included all children who would be affected. Under long-standing legal principles, birthright citizenship automatically grants American citizenship to anyone born in the United States, including children born to mothers who are in the country illegally. This right was established shortly after the Civil War in the first sentence of the 14th Amendment. The Trump administration contends that children of non-citizens are not subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and therefore should not be entitled to citizenship. This ongoing legal battle raises significant questions about the future of citizenship in America. What do you think about the implications of restricting birthright citizenship? Is it a necessary measure for border security, or does it undermine the foundational principles of equality and inclusion? Share your thoughts in the comments.